All right, I went on Amazon and I got a bunch of placemats, and I'm gonna show you how I made a bowl. We're going to cut it out now. When you're doing this, when you're cutting it out, don't do sharp cuts with your cutters. Do smooth, rounded edges. When you do that, it will lessen the clay's ability to just grab a crack and go with it. So smooth it out, make them rounded, and right before you pull off the placemat, I want you to take your hands and compress those edges, just like here. Compress them, smooth them. You want to put your hands all around your piece to make sure that it's ready for the next stage. Now, when I'm pushing it, that nice slab into the bowl, that is a bisque bowl. That's a former that I use to lay in slabs. You have to do it very gently. You have to lift it up as you're pushing it down toward the center. Otherwise, as it's hanging over, it can pull just that edge and it'll be thin just at the edge. So try not to do that. Be gentle. Pull it up on the edges as you're pushing down in the center. And take your time, because if you rush it, you're going to tear the clay, you're going to pull the clay, it's going to get thin in spots, and that's how you get cracking. So take your time, and at the end, even out all the edges with your hands. They're great tools. Gently go around the edges. It does wonders. It's so beautiful. You can tell how I glazed it and it went down and it pulled all along the bottom and made a beautiful color. All those variations, I just love it. And then at the top, where it pulled from, you can see the texture, just a hint of it. I added a foot and even a little drain, because sometimes when I pull them out of the dishwasher, this is full of water, so I started putting little drains in. It really helps. So I hope you like this. Go out there, get some placemats, and make a bowl. I'm so glad you joined me today. Anyway, this is my bowl, and I just love it. Now I want to see your bowl. Put it in the comments below. Ask me any questions you have. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.